SternYT here today with another Roblox video, and I believe this is Roblox, let me think, I think it's Roblox 2. If you count the first episode, that was just like getting everything set up, so technically it's episode 1, so guys, I really hope, I just hope you guys will like this, because I'm going to start a new series called Roblox Flood Survival. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a second when I am in Roblox. Hey guys, I'm back, and I was just wondering how you think this new headset looks on me. Do you like it? Does the microphone work? Huh? So now let's seriously get into business. I'll see you in a minute when we get into Roblox. So guys, this is what we are playing. Finally got my microphone to bend over to my mouth. Lucky me. So, we will be playing Flood Survival Waves. I've played it before. It's a pretty good game. So, let's get straight into it. So, guys, I'm back. Oh, we've just been spawned in. Come on, hurry. Hurry. Ah. We died. I don't know how. Map chosen farm. Guys, it's going to respawn me. Does it reset character? And I'm already dead, so I don't know why I just did that. This game is being weird. This game is being weird. No, it just landed on my body. On my bod. On my bod. So I don't know what's wrong. I am not responding. This is weird. Hey, don't walk on my dead remains. No, there are people stepping on my dead remains. Where do these 3 people all have the same shirt on? Well, this sucks. I'll be right back, guys. So guys, I'm back. We just spawned in the middle of a flood. And I don't know why I'm not dying. So, radio tower. Guys, we better get on top of this. I don't feel like this is stable. We need to get on top of the... Shoot! No! No! Guys, I will be right back. Oh no! No! No. Well, I was looking for something. I was looking for some like sour candies. What the? Are they speaking like Spanish or something? Sorry if you are Spanish. I don't know. I am making a YouTube video. What the? No. We got here just in time, guys. Oh, I don't get theirs. Oh, I thought that was a hole. I should have gone up and... Oh no. Where are we? Oh, I guess we died. How come we keep dying? I'm so frustrated. We don't even have enough for a quake potion. And my question is, what map are we doing next, guys? Ooh, radio tower again, kind of boring. And where did I go? How did I die? Oh, no! It already started. Phew, I don't... No, this wasn't fair. We would have survived for like 2 more seconds. System. Your friend KCJDIDGEJ has joined the game. Sure. Okay, fine. That was fun. Me and some other, 2 other people were the only people to survive that. Camp. Ooh, this is a new one. Oh, well, looky here. We just got us a place up here. We'll be fine. We'll just float away on these buildings and... Oi, 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 oi. And I'll say... Hold on. I'll say... Ooh. Oh. Oh. Fortress. Ooh, fortress. This is also new. Have I been to this one? I don't think so. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I have been to this one. Because these buildings weren't even here. Hola. Oh, hola. Mi amigo. Hola, mi amigo. Yeah. Yeah, June. I do not speak that language. No, let me up here. Let me up. This is just risk itself. Oh god, oh god. No. Oh. Okay, so every time I die from now on, I have to pinch. No, I won't pinch myself. I have to. I have to put one grape gum in my mouth. One Icebreaker's Cubes grape gum in my mouth. Every time I die. Oh no, my battery's going low. What round is this? I don't know. Well, how many ever rounds I do this video, I'll do for the next few videos. Oh, I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad. Oh, I don't wanna. Let's get don't speak that language. Yeah, that was pretty easy to survive. How long is this video? We'll do this round and then that'll wrap today's video up, guys. So I'll go ahead and start doing me outro. So I would like to thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a big fat thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated by me. And if you enjoyed, please leave a big fat thumbs up. I'm hesitating so much. enjoyed, please leave a big fat thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated by yours truly, SternYT, and subscribe to join the Obligation Nation. And I'll see you in the next one.